What's going on YouTube? My name's Andy from Little RV Big Life, and today we are replacing the intercooler on a 6-liter Powerstroke diesel engine. So as you can see behind me, we've got Black Beauty, and we are replacing the intercooler on her because we did our intercooler pressure test and we found that there was a crack in the front of our intercooler. So you're going to need a few tools today, just a basic set of hand tools, ratchets, ratcheting wrenches, to get this job done. So the first thing that we are going to do is get the intercooler pipes taken off the ends of the intercooler. The next thing that we are going to do is take off this rubber cap here so we can expose all of the bolts that are holding on to the upper cross member so we can get those taken off also. We're just going to set this off to the side, and then we're going to attack these bolts. All of the brackets that you're going to need to take off all have 8mm head bolts on them. The brackets that you're going to remove from the upper radiator support are going to be the top radiator support brackets, air conditioning condenser brackets, and the transmission cooler brackets. Also, you're going to need to remove the hood release from that upper bracket. And then once you're done with that, you're going to need your 13mm wrench. And there's 4 bolts on the passenger side, on the driver's side, that will remove the upper radiator support. Go ahead and remove those. And once you have those removed, you should be able to remove the upper radiator support. Now, once you have that upper radiator support out, you have your intercooler exposed here, and we should just be able to pull it right out. There it is. Now, like we said, we are replacing the intercooler that we had in here. And putting that back together is going to be the opposite of how we took it apart. And how those steps are going to go as followed. Intercooler. Upper radiator support. Your upper radiator brackets, your power steering cooler bracket, your AC condenser bracket, and don't forget to put in your hood latch. And finally, your upper radiator dam. That's all it is to replace the intercooler on this is a 2006 F350 6-liter Powerstroke. The rest of the truck should be very, very similar on how to do that. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I do have my intake off right now because we are going to do a pressure check again on this to see if we have any more boost leaks. Anyways, for now, my name's Andy, and I'll see you in the next video.